Okay, here we go. Okay, magazine out, yes. Make sure it's clear, yes. Okay, so what we're going to have to do first, just like a regular 1911, is just pull the slide all the way back, and then we need to line up. We have to line it up like that, right? Let me show you. Just like that. We want the top of that to go right up with that hole there. And we're going to press on this black pin on the back here. That's going to take out the detent lever, or the slide stop. Okay, you might have to wiggle the slide and the slide stop just a little bit before you can get it out. Sometimes it's kind of rough, even though you're doing it right. I got it. Okay, so slide comes off, and then now we're just going to get guide rod, the plug here, the guide rod plug. Just pull back on it, turn it off to either side while moving the inner barrel in the opposite direction. That's gonna just kind of wiggle it around. It's gonna come off. Now take note, there's two springs here, a smaller spring and then a bigger one. I'm not entirely sure why they did that, but we have the barrel plug here to pull out. It's just this black piece. Pull it out. Okay, easy. And then get the barrel forward. Just kind of wiggle it until it comes down, and it's going to come out of the slide. Okay, here's where things get tricky. So usually what you do, and you can see it's actually spring loaded, is you push on it, right? And then you would lift. Where is it? Okay, we gotta get this silver tab here over this black one here. Okay, so how you do that? You can use a screwdriver, but be careful. It is a thin piece of metal, but I've already got it, so I'm just gonna pull back, and I'm gonna use my hand to turn. I'm gonna grab it, and then I'm gonna turn it clockwise while I'm doing that, and at the same time I'm going to pull back on this here. Okay, and then you can see that wants to come out, but that's the catchy part, right? So the secret lies within this guy right here. So what you need to do is push down inside there with like a screwdriver or a pair of tweezers, anything really, and then that'll let it come out. I'll demonstrate that for you right now. Make sure you have it pulled all the way back. So what I can do with mine, otherwise you might just have to hold it back as far as you possibly can, but I can actually kind of lock mine to the right a little bit like so, just by turning it to the right. Okay. And then now what I can do is just push with anything down, and you can hear it click. Now you can pull this guy out. You can see how that all hooks up. Okay. Here it is in all of its glory. This is how it's supposed to go back in the gun, in case you forget. And to put it back together, you simply have to push it back in, and then it's good to go. Alright, so just reverse the order, very easy to do. We're gonna just put the barrel, sorry, fuck this focus, okay, put the barrel in there. Now we have to get that, we have to take this barrel plug here, and then we want to make sure it's oriented like this. See how the two fangs are facing completely straight to the bottom. And then I'm just going to push it in. There it goes. And then the last part we have to do is just the recoil guide, and then the guide springs. Push them in together as far as you can. One moment, please. Okay, make sure the barrel's all the way back. Put that plug rod down in there. let go of the springs, and then you just gotta push it forward, wheel the barrel around, do whatever you gotta do, and then it's gonna come back into place. And then now all you have to do is just line up the cutouts on the slide with the guide rails on the frame, and you're good to go. Pull it back. Now we just have to put that slide catch in, put it through the hole you took it out of, and then line up that hole again, and then get it lined up. Okay, push in. It's good to go. Congratulations, you did it. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and hope you guys found this video useful.